Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this because I've wrote a post about this, and I'm having some people saying they're having problems. I cannot make it correctly, having some errors. Scanf is not working in Visual Studio Code, so I'm gonna show you the solution on how to do it. So first, I'm gonna try with the codes, this code here. Make it work. I'm having my own things open right here, as you guys can see it. So I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna copy the same codes because I'm gonna show you that I'm also having some problem. So I'm gonna pass the codes down past. Okay, I have some error here. I have to fix them. I fix these errors here. I'm gonna delay this. If you also guys happen to copy the same code, trying to do something like me, so you have to also fix these one here. In other case, it's not going to work. If you try to do something else, you have to fix this one first. Okay, this line is dying. I go to the next line. Okay, I'm gonna delay this one here. Have this. Okay, this line also looks clean. Let's fix this one here. Should be a negative sign. Okay, it looks clean. I'm gonna delay this. I will delay this. Also delay this one here. I'm gonna cast this one. Okay, and right now just pass in the middle. Okay, the whole thing looks clean right now. Right now, I think I can run the code. When I'm gonna run, start without the begin. Just gonna come here. See this problem. This is the same problem that we do have here. As you guys can see, the same problem that we do have. So what he's saying, to solve this, you have to add this code. So we're just gonna copy it. See, saying the green line in this kind of code line, we still by a code we run without any problem. If it's okay for you, here we go. You are welcome. So okay, the code is passed. You have this. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna close this one because I don't need it. Right now I'm like nothing happened before. I'm gonna pass code that we copy here. Let's run code right now. Let's go. See, here we go, and say birth here. So this is the one that we wanted here. So as you guys can see, our code is running properly here. I'm gonna push the year you want. Let's just say random year. We have a mathematics problem. This one is something else. It's up to you. You have mathematics problem, fix it. But if you need help about it, just let me know in the comment section. I will do my best to help you. Guys, take care. If you like the video, subscribe.